Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we back in Spinelli's kitchen, and we whipping up some wings today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these Cowboy Butter chicken wings. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick rundown of today's recipe so we can go ahead and get started. Back here, we got our chicken wings. You already know they're clean, patted, dry. Have some butter here, freshly squeezed lemon juice, a little flour here, lemon zest, some thyme, W sauce here, flat leaf parsley, some chicken seasoning, chopped green onions, horseradish, red onion chopped, freshly chopped garlic, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and a little cayenne pepper. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. Now the first thing we're gonna do is season our chicken wings. Now you can season it with salt and pepper. I like to use this little chicken seasoning. It has a nice little blend to it and I like it. Then it has a little salt in it also, so you don't necessarily always have to add salt. You can add a little bit more. It's totally up to you, depending on your taste. We're gonna get that mixed up. And I definitely like using this sauce when I'm adding some more flavor or sauce to the chicken, because you don't want the blend to overpower the sauce. You just kind of want it to level out really, really good. So it really just gives the chicken a basic flavor. But when you add that cowboy butter on there, man, listen, it's gonna take it to the moon. All right, so that's good. We're gonna set this aside. So guys, I wasn't recording. I was adding a little bit flour to this. We're gonna use like a little bit, maybe like 1/4 of a cup of flour. And we're gonna get it mixed in like this. Now I don't want it to be fully coated in flour, because that flavor is gonna come through that cowboy butter sauce. So I just want a light coat, looking something like that, so we can just get that nice thin crispy coating and then top it off with that cowboy butter sauce. All right, so we're gonna move this aside. All right, so we're gonna turn our cooktop on. Next, we're gonna start melt our butter. And guys, while your butter is melting, go ahead and start heating up your oil. We're gonna baptize these babies in some hot grease. Now, if you wanna air fry them, go ahead. I like this particular recipe better when they're fried, all right? And guys, we're just gonna melt this over a medium heat. Once that butter melts, we're gonna remove it from our cooktop and head over to our cutting board. And now we're gonna take our butter mixture, we're gonna add it to this empty dish. Then we're gonna add our onions, our parsley, our green onions, our lemon zest, salt and pepper, our chopped garlic, and lemon juice, Dijon mustard, horseradish, and we're gonna give this a good mix. This is what we have. Now we're gonna move over to our blender. All right, so now we're over at our blender, and we're gonna take this mixture and we're gonna pour it in our blender. Once we get it in there, we're gonna pulse it for about 15 to 20 seconds. All right, just like that. Now we're gonna remove it, head over to our cutting board. We're gonna pour our mixture into a measuring cup, and we're gonna set it aside and head over to our stove. All right, so now bring your oil up to 350 degrees, and you're gonna start adding your chicken pieces, and we're gonna cook these for about 7 to 10 minutes. And once they're done, we're gonna go ahead and get them removed, and we're gonna go in with our second batch. All right, so we're finishing up our second batch. Take a look at that. We're gonna head back over to our cutting board, add our chicken pieces into a bowl, add our sauce, start to shake it, bake it, just like that. Take a look at that. All right, so now we're gonna get these babies plated up and head into quality control. All right, so y'all know what quality control look like. It's me enjoying myself. Let's bring this to the front of the congregation. Hold them wings, hold them wings. All right, guys, we ain't gonna waste no time. We just gonna go ahead and get to it. Oh, oh man, oh yes. This cowboy butter Typically they make cowboy butter sauce for steaks, but you can throw it on them wings just like I did. This is delicious, guys. You definitely want to add this to your wing arsenal. Until then, remember, y'all already know who this is. All wings, everything. Remember, I'm not a chef. You just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.